Rack. Good morning, DZ fam. We're trying to get 70 followers. We're trying to get 70 followers on Twitch. Run it back. AMC awakens. We got 4 on Twitch already, thank you. Run it back. I need 100 stacks, I need 1 million. Oh, we got 4 on Twitch, 20 on the tube. Guys, make sure you hit that like button. Come on. Come on. Hit that like button, come on. Hit that like button, come on. Rack City. Rack City.
Good morning, fans. Thai stock guide for the SMX exit.
Yeah, boy! Bro, thank you for the 2-piece off the rip. Chris, thank you for the 2-piece off the rip. Thank you, Stock God, for SMX exit, bro. Thank you, brother. SMX took off. SMX halted after breaking the downtrend. Very bullish. XMS getting crazy. Up 13%. Woo. Ooh. Damn, we got 5 on Twitch already? Yo, we're growing. We're growing, bro. We're growing for real. We're moving. Moving and growing and it. All right, guys, let me get the stream ready. Then we're going to get popping. You already know what it is. I appreciate anybody tuning in right now. Thank you for making this possible. Thank you for making my stream a reality. Making my dream a reality. Getting this cream in reality. $14 likes on YouTube already. GameStop trying to make a move here as well. AMC potentially bottoming. Guys, crypto making moves. Crypto making moves. Do what I do. You don't really know about you. I've been making moves. We don't know about you. But I've been making moves. Running sense of something. Over everything. Running like. David, what up, bro? Thanks for being here.
Italy on the track.
David in the building, y'all.
Italy on the track.
Misty Blue in the building, y'all. AMC up a good 3% on the day.
Italy on the track.
$18 likes already, 1 super chat. You guys are the greatest. 8 people on Twitch. Oh my God, bro. 8 people on Twitch already. You guys, thank you so much, family. We're growing. We are truly growing. Yes. About to get some ad revenue from the Twitch. Make sure you guys prime sub over on the Twitch. Guys, it's absolutely free if you have Amazon Prime. Here's how you use your Prime sub. Just simply link your Amazon account to your Twitch account. You do this on a computer or a browser, meaning Firefox, Chrome. I know some people are a little slow. Then you click subscribe and then you click use Prime sub. It is free. It is free and it will help support the channel. It's free if you have Amazon Prime. If you want to keep our lives going every single day, head on over. Give me a like, give me a follow. Help support the stream. Help support the dream. Got the rest of your merch? Bro, I appreciate you, dude. You are a living legend, truly. Without people like you, we couldn't be here. We wouldn't be here. Damn it. Thanks for supporting the stream. Thanks for supporting the dream, bro. Thank you for supporting the dream. Thank you for supporting the dream. I'm singing in the rain. Oh, la, 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 la. I'm losing my mind, y'all. All right, so SPY. Yo. SPY bullish, guys. SPY short-term bullish as expected. Talked about it in yesterday's video. AMC bottoming exactly as predicted. People said it couldn't happen. They said, no, it's going to keep going down. I said, nah. This is exactly why when everyone gets bearish, you do not follow. 2 hats and the shirt. Bro, thank you, dude. I truly appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna be wearing my DZ hat too. Bro, like, you know what would be the craziest thing? Like if I met someone else, like, yo, you got Data Zero merch on, you got Data Zero merch on too. We friends, bro. If I walk outside and see someone wearing DZ merch, bro, that's when I officially made it. Maybe one day my dream will come true. You know? We're just a small fry in a big pond right now. Thank you, dude. I appreciate you, my friend. Jeffrey, thank you, brother. Bro got 2 hats and a tee. Thank you. Guys, there's a lot going on today. We're going to talk about it. GME earnings setup. I talked about it yesterday in yesterday's video. If you missed yesterday's video, it's an absolute banger. I know people were not happy yesterday because AMC dropped down lower, but so a lot of people were like tuning out and they were just not trying to see it. 750 views. We need to get those numbers up, guys. We need to get those numbers up. 750 views on the video. We need to get those numbers up. Guys, if AMC breaks and holds 110 today, we're mooning. Guys, we have 40 people in the building already. 40 people in the building. Hit that like button. Run them numbers up. Hit that like button. Run them numbers up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody hit the like. Hit the like right now. Hit the like right now. Pretty please hit the like right now. AMC not about to break down. AMC bottom in, yeah. AMC's bottom's in, y'all.
AMC final shakeout? SPY to 675 before dropping?
Danny Lamb! AMC final shakeout. I believe AMC is potentially bottoming, but we cannot confirm until we break and hold 110, brother. We cannot confirm until we break and hold 110. Thank you so much for the 2-piece as well, supporting the stream daily, bro. You are a king. Thank you. SPY. SPY's gonna go like 673.35, 674, then top out, bro. 675, kind of pushing it. Could maybe tip hit that, but seems a little high. Right now, SPY's going bearish. Probably see something like this. Now, guys, if you can, give me a follow on Twitch if you have not. We're trying to get to 70 followers. We already have 29 likes on YouTube. Thank you so much. Hey, here's the DK beat. Where's Ruben at? I have some shares left in the FJet. We're gonna check out FJet. SPY is gonna push up a little bit higher, but probably pull back like 674, not financial advice. If AMC breaks and holds 110 today, guys, we are off. Bitcoin. 74,200 consolidating at a very good range. Hit a high of 76,000 yesterday. Seeing a lot of inflows. NVIDIA got crushed on its event. NVIDIA event was horrible. There was like this right here. They showed us the new tech, and it was horrible. The predictive AI chip. I'm trying to find it.
This is your second company in AI.
There was a new chip, and it was just horrible. Asmongold found it. Let me just go to him. Kind of annoying. see if I can find it. Of course I can't find it. I can't even think of the name of the chip. Of course I can't find it. Of course. It's not good though. Like, are we serious, bro? Everything but, right? I found everything but. Come on, dude. Are we serious? I found everything but, dude. Oh my god. Like, how is it not on my history, dude? Like, come on, man.
I think that the reality they overshot, and the way that it creates, like, for example, like with this, it makes the characters older and it puts features on them that they don't actually have. Like, usually you have those cheekbones and knees here and that. Like, this is usually something that manifests in like your 20s or 30s generally, right? And especially like even this wrinkle here on a person's face, like this is usually the indicator of a person who's like maybe 25 to like 40, right? 36 plus. Yeah, it's definitely like, I mean, and it depends on who it is, right? 30 plus. Yeah, maybe, right? And so if you have that happen, this is a person who's in high school. So the way that it does predictive, like filling in, I think it's just very bad. I mean, that's really it. And it's the same thing with this woman here, right? Is that like her face there is not that wrinkly. It's not, but it fills it in a way that is too extreme. I think that's it. And I think this is like, I'm a supporter of DLSS. I think DLSS is a great type of technology, but I think that right now it's not calibrated in a way that improves the experience. I think they can do a much better job than this. Right now, it just looks like basically you turned everything into an AI generation. I think that the best versions of this probably were like FIFA, but even the issue with FIFA, here's the problem, is that you have an uncanny valley that's created because of the rest of the game being more basically video gamey, but then the man's face is like just totally fucking photorealistic. And so that discrepancy, I think, creates a uncanny valley. More examples? Yeah, that's the way that I see it. I don't know, what do y'all think about this, right? And so it's out of place, more examples. Yeah, let me get to it, all right? So this one has some more examples. I can't believe NVIDIA looked at this AI on top of games filter and said to themselves, this is the future of gaming. Well, AI having an overlay on games, I'm going to be real, guys. Like, I know everybody is like, you know, people like to fucking, circle jerk about this. It is the future. I think it is. But just because it's the future doesn't mean every step forward doesn't need 2 steps back. Sometimes you go in a direction, like this is a good example. We had VHS tapes, right? And then we also had, remember the laser disc? right? Like, I mean, it's what I'm saying is that it's an offshoot. It's a technological innovation that I don't think is going to resonate with the public. It's a mini CD. Yeah, it's a mini CD. So we got this too. I mean, it doesn't look awful, right? I mean, I think that, yeah, I mean, it looks too sharp. The one that I felt was problematic was the next one. This one. Like, there's something wrong about this one. And I think this is the one that I think is problematic. The other ones are like, you know, who knows? But this one is definitely shooting, and I find it to be problematic. It's good. But
Oh my God, how long was I muted, bro? How long was I muted? Oh my God. I'm sitting there trying to tell you guys about this new chip. Or not a new chip, but NVIDIA's DLSS5, right? So this is NVIDIA's new thing. AI overlay for games that said it's going to change everything. And I don't think it's as good as they think it is. I don't think it's as good as they think it is. Now, NVIDIA, technical-wise, is still in this macro accumulation, but this could break out either way. This could break out either way. because it's a pennant. We have gap fills to the up and downside on the daily time frame. I don't think AI is as good as people think. I think that the data centers are not feasible. We don't have the infrastructure necessary, and I think they're pushing AI so hard is because the economy is failing, and they think that it's going to save everything. Like another dot-com boom, how the internet pushed everything forward and caused all this innovation, and all these people got rich, and all these new millionaires sprung up, and people became creators and rode waves like Fortnite and YouTube, and now you have Asmongold's and the Charlies that are just absolutely massive on the platform that have been there since day one. Like, I think that they think AI is going to be like that. It's going to be like another revolution, and I don't think it is. I don't think we're at the point where AI is ready to do what they think it's gonna do. Yes, I think AI is a revolutionary technology, but dude, if you talk to ChatGPT, it will tell you whatever you want to hear. Sometimes, like I made a mistake and typed something, and ChatGPT was like, "Oh no, that's just what they call it." And I made a mistake typing something in, and ChatGPT, it will just tell you shit to make you feel good. Like, so it's not ready. It's not ready. Guys, we are growing massively. We already have 6 people on Twitch. In order for me to stay alive, we have to have 3 people on Twitch at all time or more. So please, if you can help, follow me on Twitch and watch on Twitch and YouTube at the same time if you can. We have 6 on Twitch, 52 on YouTube. Yeah, I don't think AI is ready for what they think is coming. So was I muted the whole time? Yo, thanks, bro. Thank you, Rome. We don't have the infrastructure necessary. Like, people are confused about the data centers. The data centers take up so much energy. They take up so much water. I don't think we have the infrastructure necessary. I don't think it's gonna be what people think or what they hope it's gonna be. Dude, we just hit 40 likes already. Dude, we're flying today. If you guys want to help support the channel, you can subscribe on Twitch, and you can do it for free by Prime subbing. You can do a Prime sub if you have Amazon Prime. Yeah, we were watching
This is definitely them overshooting. It's absolutely them overshooting, and I find it to be problematic. Let me go back. Okay, so this is with Hogwarts Legacy, and I'll see if there's any more of these to look at. More examples? Yeah, sure, I can look at some more examples. I haven't seen this one. This one's new.
This is just a garbage AI filter. This is just a garbage AI filter. NVIDIA met with criticism for DLSS5s for photorealistic alterations. Dude, they really thought they were cooking with this thing. The thing is, like, her face is messed up. When I showed you guys, her face is messed up, dude. Do you see these marks on her face? They weren't there without that shit. Look. Okay, there's like some dirt or something there, right? Why is that even on her face, though? The hell is this? I don't like it. I don't like it. Her lips look crusty. Resident Evil, though, this is a crazy cool, good game. Yeah, and the video's not ready, bro. Spy's gonna start pulling back, guys. Spy's gonna start pulling back. So NVIDIA got that pop to drop when that was unveiled. Ooh, Bitcoin just made a nice pop up. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's $100 for a lifetime invite. $100 for a lifetime invite. We also sell a trading and chart reading class, $499.99. Last thing you need is crusty lips. Facts, bro. Why are her lips like that? DLSS5 is coming to Hogwarts Legacy.
A generic filter over games? Yeah.
I wouldn't play this Hogwarts Legacy thing because it's demonic. Witchcraft. She looks like a nerd.
Yeah, I'm starting to really see that. I think that, yeah, the problem is that it overrides art direction. I think that's probably the best way to say it. Yeah. What do you guys think about that? We'll watch it one more time. On that tweet, look at the background cars at 7 seconds.
I'm happy with my
Okay, let me
AMC
see that.
card.
Background cars at 7 seconds. Where the hell to go? The fuck is it?
This guy cusses
Background
too much.
cars at 7. Okay, let me watch it. Nope. Nope. Yeah, nope. Nope.
Oh! Got him! Got him!
Ooh, that's a nope. Got them 6-wheeler station wagon. There it is.
And that is gonna look horrible if you have your game and you're expecting it to look better and you see some like that, you're gonna be mad.
A few frames back. Okay.
Oh man.
Wait, why the hell they hit that car?
What?
Yeah, it's just like,
and
man.
I think it's going to create issues
like, this
throughout
isn't the NVIDIA
game.
one. I don't know if it is or not. I mean, like, in general, like, I just feel like right now, like, let me see. Oh, this is one they didn't show. I guess I'll just play the other two videos, right? I mean, we might as well if they've got any other clips of it. I don't care about FIFA. I don't even want to FIFA, but let's look.
So I should be able to find it. On NVIDIA's website? Right here. I mean, that looks okay, but you can't have like the 6-wheel cars and stuff like that. And I seen the one where the ball was messed up. Why is it not playing? Come on, bro. What is happening? Oh my God. I don't know. Good morning. It's not that big of a deal. Well, it's supposed to be NVIDIA's flagship premiere. Spy's pulling back, guys. Spy going badish. We're going to see Spy come back down to 670, 134. That's why I was saying the 675, that's too much. We didn't even get up. We only got back up to 670, 345. I think that was one of the levels I called out. AMC, if it breaks up and holds 110, guys, this is 100% the bottom, but we have to hold 110. AMC's cost to borrow. Oh, it went back down. That sucks. Why'd Bitcoin get this random pop from 73,400 to 74,800? That's supposed to be NVIDIA's flagship. This looks crazy, though. All right, nothing wants to play for some reason now. I just don't know. It's like loading, but doesn't want to play. That's what made NVIDIA stock do this. So yesterday, NVIDIA caused an upset in the market because we had this. And if you look, it's like right around the same time. It came out and people were hyped and then immediately said, oh no, this is not it. NVIDIA looks terrible. See, everyone's saying it. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but it's not what people are saying. And this was right around the same time this came out that NVIDIA had this pop to drop. Everyone's like, oh my God, AI. They heard the word AI. You see, this is why I say the AI shit's changing. Like, people are not as hyped over it anymore. ChatGPT, like I said, I don't know if you guys could hear if I was muted or not. ChatGPT will just tell you whatever the fuck you want to hear. I made a mistake and typed in something wrong, and ChatGPT was like, no, that's just what they call it over there. I'm like, what? I know, I typed it wrong. I know I did. So it went all the way up to 188.87 to 181.41 and is now consolidating. These pennants can break either way. So if NVIDIA doesn't pick its game up here soon, guys, we could see a big breakdown on NVIDIA. Is it good to buy AMC at this rate? Dude, AMC's dirt cheap right now, bro. You know, if you're buying AMC for 105, 108, you should be able to make some money off of that. You know, how much money is going to be the question, but there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to make some money, especially buying in these deep oversold conditions on the macro. RSI's at 23. I mean, this is just unacceptable. Last time we hit bottoms like this was down here, and AMC really spiked up after that. Look what happened. RSI got oversold, went to 19.5. We had this rally. So yeah, shit can happen. But in order for AMC to bottom 100%, I need to see a clean break above 110. XRP tracking perfectly. NASDAQ partial gap fill. Guys, we got 6 people over on Twitch, 47 on YouTube. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. See if we can't get these numbers up a little bit. Almost 50 likes on YouTube already. So NVIDIA needs to come out with something else. They keep thinking AI is going to save everything, bro. They need to stop looking at AI and they need to look at something else, dude. Like, AI is not going to save the world. It's not even close to ready for what they're trying to say. Like, they're telling you you're going to lose your job to a robot. Like, maybe if you're like a freelance editor or something, but I don't think many people are going to lose their jobs at this rate. Yeah, AI has been impressive. It's grown fast, but that's because they're throwing billions of dollars into it. I don't think AI is what people think it is. I think it is a revolutionary technology, but I don't think it's as big as what people are making it out to be. And I think the AI bubble is fizzling out. And AI has been the main driver of everything, like the stock market, GDP, everything. So that's why they're pushing so hard for this AI crap. But now look at GDP, now that AI is dying down. We have a Fed meeting tomorrow, guys. Why can't I find the... Come on, bro. Like, GDP's coming down. We had this one good here in Q3 2025, or Q3 2025 of 4.4. It's not that impressive. Are you guys gonna tune in tomorrow's Fed meeting? SPY still tracking. SPY still tracking. I expect downside from SPY though, when it's all said and done. Netflix is in a downtrend. I don't trust any of these stocks. Look, they all look like they're about to fall. Alright, that gap got filled. Still a big ass gap right there though. XRP holding $1.50 is huge. Could be breaking out of this accumulation range. And if we break above this trend line, that's even bigger. And this might be a big ass falling wedge. Like, look at this. And if it is, guys, oh my God. XRP to the moon, bro. If this is all like a big ass falling wedge right here, it's a little floppy. A little sloppy, but it could be worse. So we could see XRP to the freaking moon, dude. This is what I used last time to predict XRP's breakout, XRP market cap. See? We predicted XRP's breakout with this. With the XRP market cap chart. Oh, and then we have this falling wedge here. This falling wedge led to this breakout, and this pennant led to this breakout. XRP made the high of 360. Yeah, this could be a falling. This could be a falling wedge. This could be another falling wedge for sure. Might need to see a little bit more downside, but if XRP holds at 150, people are taking profits. But if XRP holds 150, it's definitely breaking out. Anyone notice how AMC has massive gap fills to the upside at 11 and 12 bucks? Come on, Amy. Break 10! Army bro, what up? Shoot, we got 11 people in the building on Twitch, 59 on YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are growing. 65 on YouTube. 11 on Twitch, man. That's 73 in the building right now. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Give me a follow on Twitch. We're trying to reach 70 followers. GameStop's gonna pull back, it's tracking. Yeah, SPY's going bearish, guys. We got Red MACD 10 minute and 10 minute and 5 minute time frame. SPY's coming down. Oops. Dude, Tesla is like lagging. Tesla stock hasn't been in the news like it was lately. That's why it's having troubles. Tesla needs to break back above like 400 to be mega bullish. Yo! Uriel! Thank you for the sub, bro. We're now at 16,818. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate that, dude. GME to 25. We want those gifted. I really hope GME doesn't go to 25. You guys remember I said that? If GV goes to 25, I'll be sick, bro. I'll be happy, but I'll be sick. I will do it, though. How much is 10 gifted? Let me see how much 10 gifted is on YouTube. Someone gave me a 10 gifted on Twitch yesterday. Daddy Rich. Shout out Daddy Rich. You're an absolute legend, bro. And my first ever 10 gifted on Twitch. I appreciate you. 10 gifted is 30 bucks. $29.90. DZ's girl. Hello, DZ's girl. Where you at? I need a little something from you. Guys, spy pulling back, spy pulling back, spy pulling back. We have 71 on the tube. 71 on the tube. Let's go. Run it back. I just want to run it back. Yo, thank you, family, for tuning in, guys. Thank you for making my dream a reality, making my stream a reality. I appreciate you. We almost got double digits on Twitch, man. We got 70 on the tube. We moving today. We moving today, yes sir.
Enrique!
Is Spy making a falling wedge? Ooh, this could be a bullish consolidation. So we could pull back. I gotta completely redo this. Sorry guys, I have to. I don't normally like to do that, but I have to on this one. If this is what I think it is, I'm gonna look at how much SPY calls are. If I see a little bit more confirmation, I might go long. Like a 672? See how much a 672 is. How much is a 672? It's gonna be $112. Break even 673.54, so it'd be like 674 is what I need. Nah, it's too much. Not enough. Not enough. Because I think we're only gonna go to like 673.50. It's not enough. You should see something like this from SPY. And that's going to give us the rest of the day almost, except for power hour. If this is a bull flag consolidation like I think it is. Very well could be. 15-minute MACD going red, but that is acceptable. So SPY should be pulling back in the short term, and then we should see some upside after that. $94.84 is what oil's at. Oil's going up slightly. Oh, there's a thing I wanted to talk about, the Hamas Strait. I don't even know if I say that right, but guys, this is getting serious that if this doesn't get sorted out, we're going to have issues. See, they're talking about all this stuff. It's not even what we need to worry about is that strait, because if the strait doesn't open up, I'll tell you what happened yesterday, guys. Yesterday, Trump asked for help from NATO, and NATO said nah. Donald Trump asked NATO for help yesterday, and NATO was like, nah. Because basically, Trump is, if you don't know what's going on, and I'm not trying to get political, but I know some people are super MAGA and stuff like that. That's fine, but I'm not trying to get political. Every president is a puppet. Trump is just like every other president. He's a puppet. He's controlled by Netanyahu. And what happened is Israel told Trump to go attack. Okay. Then Israel backpedals. Why? Because Israel is set to become a world superpower if the USA falls. So Israel told us to go attack. Israel owns Trump. So Trump had to listen. Trump went and attacked. Then Israel started backpedaling. China and Russia, and this is why you have to understand geopolitics. It's very, very complicated, but you have to understand it. China and Russia started saying, well, guess what, guys? We're going to help Iran. And now England and Germany are like, guess what, USA? We're not helping you. The USA is confused because we're like, well, how do you get your oil then? They're going to buy it from BRICS. They're going to join BRICS. And if everybody joins BRICS and leaves the USA out hanging out to dry, guess what happens? USA falls, petrodollar ends, and the way of US life that you know it, gone. I'm not trying to scare people, but dude, Bitcoin will go flying. Stock market will crash. Silver and gold will go flying. But it won't really matter that you're making a shit ton of money off silver, gold, and Bitcoin and crypto, certain cryptos, because everything else is going to be costing like $20, $30, $40 more. Like, the US dollar is going to completely degrade if we don't get this strait open. Because all the oil flows through that strait. And Iran, even though they're not very technical, they can control that strait with just very few soldiers. Very few, with not that much resources. So everyone who told Trump, hey, you know, this is just going to be a quick thing. You're just going to go in. You're going to drop a few things. I don't want to say it because YouTube's sensitive. You're going to drop a few things and then everything's going to go your way. They told Trump that. But if Trump was smart, you know that you can't attack the Middle East. It's never quick. It's never quick. Right now, spies outside of the bands, it should be bouncing back up here. So when all of that happened, Trump got himself into something that he's in too deep now. And now they're trying to leave the USA hanging out to dry. Is it St. Patrick's Day or something? What's with the four-leaf clovers? That's a pagan holiday, by the way. All right, guys. Spy has support here at 670. Wow, look at this number. Spy has support at 670.77. Guys, if you haven't said hi in the chat, say